Hey there, folks in India, looking to dive into the world of Forex trading? I get it. The whole process can seem a bit overwhelming, especially when it comes to picking the right broker. But don't worry, I'm here to lend a hand. I've whipped up this video just for you to guide you through the maze and help you find the perfect match for your Forex trading adventure. Let's jump in. Before we dive into the content, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Your support means a lot. 1. Exness. A trusted name since 2008, Exness hails from Cyprus. They're super reliable, thanks to regulation by big names like FSA, FSC, CYC, and FCA. And guess what? They've got tons of payment options. Bank transfers, cards, e-wallets, and even cryptocurrencies. Pretty cool, right? 2. Black Bull Markets. These guys have been around since 2014 and are based out of New Zealand, regulated by FSA and FMA. They're all about variety, offering payment methods ranging from bank transfers to AstroPay and cryptocurrencies. 3. FBS. Since 2009, FBS from Limassol, Cyprus, has been making waves. They're regulated by CYSC, FSC, FSKA, and ASIC, ensuring you're in safe hands. And when it comes to payments, they've got you covered with options like Skrill, Neteller, and various cryptocurrencies. 4. Oxta FX. Starting in 2011 and based in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Oxta FX is another great option. They're under the watchful eye of CYSC, FCA, and IFSA. Plus, they accept a wide array of payment methods, including e-wallets. 5. IC Markets. Last but not least, IC Markets from Sydney, Australia, has been rocking the scene since 2007. They're regulated by CySEC, FSA, ASIC, and SCB. Their payment methods offer a vast selection, including bank cards, PayPal, Skrill, and more. And that wraps up my take on the top Forex brokers. Remember, diving into Forex trading is exciting, but it's also risky. Make sure you do your homework and understand what you're getting into. Wishing you the very best on your trading journey. Go out there and conquer those markets. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you found clarity and understanding in every part of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.